Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we have to solve past paper worksheet related to functional group and homologous series of the organic compound. Our first question is, which statement correctly defines a homologous series? The option first a group of the compound with same molecular formula but different structural formula, or families of the compound with same general formula, similar chemical properties, and which differ from one another to the next by a CH2 unit. C option is a set of the element with similar physical properties found in the same group of the periodic table. Fourth one option is a group of the compound that all contain a double bond between two carbon atoms. I think so the correct option is B. Next dear student, question number 2. Which functional group is present in all alcohols? COOH, OH, C double bond C. D option is CHO. Dear student, the correct option is B, OH. Next question number 3. Which rows correctly matches the homologous series with its general formula? Alkane general formula CnH2n, alkene general formula CnH2n plus 2, and alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2, and carboxylic acid general formula CnH2n plus 1 and COOH. The correct general formula is C. Alkane has general formula CnH2n plus 2. Next one, question number 4. Which of the following is not a feature shared by members of the same homologous series? Same general formula, same molecular formula, the similar chemical properties, gradual change in physical properties such as boiling point. The correct option is same molecular formula. All the members of the homologous series do not have the same molecular formula. The question number 5 is, the table below shows the molecular formula of the first 4 members of the alkane homologous series: methane CH4, ethane C2H5, and propane C3H8, and butane molecular formula is missing here, but it has 4 carbon atom. Complete the table by writing the molecular formula of the butane. So according to the general formula, CnH2n plus 2. If you put n is equal to 4, then you will get the molecular formula C4H10. So the correct molecular formula of the butane is C4H10. Got it, dear students? Okay. State the general formula for the alkane homologous series. I wrote here CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula for alkane family. Using your answer to the B, explain why propane has the molecular formula C3H8 and not C3H7. Dear student, according to the general formula CnH2n plus 2, if you put n is equal to 3, then you will get C3H8 but not C3H7. So the correct molecular formula for the propane is C3H8, not C3H7. Find the termed homologous series. A series of the compound with same chemical properties, general formula, different physical properties, and adjacent member differ by CH2 unit. Got it, dear student? Next one is, state one chemical properties and one physical properties that change or stay the same across the homologous series. So dear student, chemical properties mean that throughout all the members of the homologous series having same nature of the element. So according to physical properties, different boiling point. Next question, dear student, is 6. The diagram below represent part of the structure of an organic compound. Identify the two functional group present in this compound. One functional group, dear student, is carbon double bond carbon, and the second functional group is carboxylic group COOH. Next question number 7. Use the list of the homologous series below to answer the question that below alkane alkenes, alcohols, and carboxylic acid. Option A. Complete the table to show the functional group and the example of the first members of the each homologous series listed above. The alkane functional group, no. No functional group, dear student. And general formula is CnH2n plus 2. In case of the alkene functional group, carbon double bond carbon. General formula CnH2n. Alcohol functional group OH. General formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Carboxylic acid functional group COOH. And the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Got it, dear student? Dear student, next question is 8. State the name of the functional group and the homologous series it belongs to for each of the following group of the atoms. OH functional group, the name of the functional group is enol. Homologous series name is alcohol. Carbon double bond carbon functional group, the name of the functional group and homologous series name is next functional group carboxylic acid, name of the functional group enoic acid. Homologous series carboxylic acid. Next question is 9. But1ene C4H8 and butane C4H10 are both 4 carbon containing compound. Identify the homologous series to which but1ene belong. Alkene. Next question 10. Methanoic acid has the structural formula COOH. Name the functional group present in the methanoic acid. Enoic acid. B option is state the homologous series to which the methanoic acid belong. Carboxylic acid. Next, dear student, question number 11. Ethane C2H4 and ethane C2H6 are the simplest member of the two different homologous series. State the homologous series to which ethene belong. Alkene. Next question is 12. The displayed formula of the propanoic acid is shown below. Circle the functional group in structure above. COOH. B option is give the name of the homologous series to which propanoic acid belong. Carboxylic acid. Option is 13. State two difference between an alkane molecules and an alkene molecule with the same number of the carbon atom. In case of the alkane, all bonds are single. But in case of the alkene, at least one carbon double bond carbon functional group present. Next, dear student, question is 14. A compound has the molecular formula CH3CHOH CH3. Name the functional group present and state the homologous series to which this compound belong. Here the functional group is OH. OH functional group and alcohol homologous series. Next question is 15. The label on a bottle state that it contains ethanoic acid. Underline the functional group in the homologous series CH3COOH. Here the functional group is COOH. B option is state the homologous series to which ethanoic acid belong. Carboxylic. Hopefully, dear student, everyone got well. So kindly share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.